Jamming, leg bomb day, deadlifts, last page of chapter 3, Fortnight Fitness, and we're going to hit it. Probably deadlifts, definitely deadlifts, unless we can't get a bar, then we'll do some other way. Maybe we'll get on the machines. Quick side note, there are always sirens going off around here, but I swear there's been more this year than the last several years. You know, when you notice something like that, then it's worth mentioning. So anyway, back to the legs. We're going to get the job done. We're going to hit some kind of deadlifts. I don't know if we'll go for the deadlift game or not. We did that last week. I'm thinking to get stronger that we should do some slow motion negatives on the deadlifts, man. Pull that bad boy up and just bring it down as slow as we can till we hit the floor. Instead of tapping the floor and bringing it back up as we usually do for reps, we'll take it down to the floor, stay in our little starting position, and then pull it back up from a deadlift. And we'll see how that works. Either way, haven't made up my mind just yet. We're going to get into the gym, get the job done, and get back to you right after this message. So as much as I tell others outside of this series how exercise works, how the body adapts, how the body is amazing, etc., 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 I continue to be amazed. Trying new types of exercises, trying new, new styles, new tempos, new approaches to the old exercises, and finding out that the body compensates, acclimates, and becomes stronger in a relatively short amount of time. Leg bomb, twinge bomb, and no rain. It's the end of another fantastic chapter in the Fortnight Fitness book. And today we hit the deadlifts, and we started with slow motion deadlifts. 265, raise it up, let it down real slow, 8 to 10 second count, put it on the floor, lift it up again, go for a little bit longer, and that's it. We're done. You know, 2 reps, slow motion deadlifts, slow motion negatives, and we're done. Next set, we just rep it out. We get 6 solid reps, 265 still. Very good. So we're feeling a little strong, so we raised the weight up a little bit and do 2 slow motion ones. I think we raised it up to 285 maybe. Okay, same thing. That's when the twinge came back, and I was like, poof. So anyway, we end up doing 3 sets slow motion negatives and 3 sets of regular. We topped off with a single set at 325. That was good. I always like to get out of the 200s. So we balanced the day out with deep T-bar squats, and then we flipped it around to the other side and went with wide leg T-bar squats. And then we hit the machines. We did our kneeling hamstring extensions, and then to wrap it up, we did a lot of leg stretching and some slight body weight exercises with the knees, man. We got to open up these quads. Man, I can't even think about what the body parts are called anymore. Shows you how much the exercise takes away from my brain power. We reached a new high on the cable leg extension. We are repping 265, and that makes it 100% day. So very happy. I'm a little concerned that I won't get up to my max again for a while, but that's the ego demon messing with me. We're getting stronger overall in the body. The legs are feeling thicker, and I didn't think I had that much fat on my legs, but apparently I do, because I'm seeing more definition. So that's the wrap up. Monkey bars on the schedule for tomorrow, weather permitting. It's been a really challenging series for monkey bars business, but you know, it is what it is, right? Maybe we get there, maybe not. Maybe we have to substitute, whatever. Adds a little bit of mystery to the series. And as always, friends, appreciate you guys. See you next workout.